Hello guys, in this video we learn to convert the values into graph. So in this we are given post order and in order. We need to convert this into graph. So when we saw in the previous video that in pre-order and in order, the root value was the first in pre-order. Post order, your root value will be in the last. That is why, because your structure says left, right and root. So whenever you arrange your values like this, so your main root will come in the last. So we need to proceed here from last. So this will be your main root. Now you need to find that in order. So if you find, it's over here. So this will be your left and this will be your right. So let's note it down. So 6 plus 2, 5. So this is in the left and all this remainder is in your last one. This is 10 and then 6. And now next, now for the step, after plus, after star, we have minus. So minus is over here. So this will be my main root. And then left I have is 8 and right I have all these numbers. So next is 2. So 2 I have here. So this will be my main root and remaining left side, and this is left and right. So here 10 and 6. Now next I have is 6. So 6 will be my main root. Then this 10 in the left, because root 10 left side and right side. This will be the left. Now after 10, 4. 4 is the main root. So left and then right. Now after this, 4 is done, 1 is done, 9 is done, 8 is also done over here. Now I'll go here. So plus. So plus will be my main root. Plus left side, right side. 6. Here 2 and 5. So after plus I have 5 first. So 5 will be my root. So this is the root. So this will be the left side. So 2. So let's draw it into a clean graph. Star plus minus 6 5 2 8 2 4. Actually this is very simple to learn. So this is how you solve when post order and in order is given, and you have to convert that into a graph. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.